Let's make a chocolate and strawberry martini. Okay, so we're gonna start with our rim. Get some chocolate syrup. It's so great. We're just gonna take our rim and do a little chocolate. Who don't like chocolate? A chocolate man, a chocolate this, a chocolate that. This gonna go quick. So be in class. Ice. Ice, baby, ice. Bailey's strawberry and cream. Okay? So we got some strawberry and cream. Strawberry and cream. Vodka. Whatever your alcohol choice is. So we're gonna put some little vodka in here. Vodka. We're just going down. You're gonna need some heavy half and half. We got some half and half. Don't worry about it. The measurements will be on DivonCousine.com. We got our simple syrup, our homemade. Look at that girl. That girl making some homemade simple syrup, okay? Homemade simple syrup, okay? Don't say I never taught you anything. And then we got some chocolate liqueur, as they say, liqueur. Okay? So we got some chocolate liqueur. Put a little bit of that in there. And then we gonna shake it like your mama said. Shake it like a salt shaker, okay? We're gonna shake it like a salt shaker up in here. Okay, so I'm putting my little top on. We're gonna get to shaking. Shake it up real good, y'all. Shake it up real good. Pour your chocolate and cream over in there. We're gonna put some whipped cream on there, like so. Okay? And then we're gonna garnish it with a strawberry. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. You see how I made the strawberry syrup? So y'all ain't got to go out there and pay that $8, $9, $10 for no strawberry simple syrup. Just go ahead and make it at home and put it in your refrigerator, okay? Let's go in and taste. I got a lot of whipped cream on this. Ooh, that's delicious. Absolutely. You know what? It gives me the taste of a chocolate martini with a hint of strawberry. You know what I'm saying? So just think of a chocolate martini because it's still got that creamy kind of taste, you know, because you got the strawberry and cream with the Bailey's. And then you got the chocolate cocoa liqueur. And then you got the strawberry syrup in there. So it gives me that more of a chocolate martini with a hint of strawberry. Ooh, with a hint of cream and strawberry. And then with the whipped cream, that even makes it better. But this is a refreshing. I like this drink. This is a sexy drink, okay? And it's good. And you can put as much alcohol as you want to or much less alcohol, or you could do it as a mocktail. Very good, very easy, must make recipe. To get this recipe and more, go to DivonCousine.com. Happy Valentine's Day or love of February. Y'all need to make this drink. Love y'all. Chef Chef.